Good morning, teacher. Everyone.
Good morning, Kalimila.
Hi,
Hi.
nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. What's your name?
My name is Jack and you.
My name Tung.
Full name?
What's your full name?
My name Phan Kanya. And you?
My name is Duy Tung. How are you?
Not well. And you?
Thank you.
Where are you from?
I am from Nghệ An, Province, Vietnam.
And you? I'm from Quảng Bình in Vietnam.
Let's
Let's talk. Let's
Let's
talk
talk
about the picnic.
speak
Ah.
time.
Okay.
Yeah. What time?
10 o'clock here.
What time do you get up?
5 o'clock here.
What time do you for food?
6 o'clock here.
What time do you go class?
7:30 here.
What time do you eat lunch?
11:45 here.
You can ask me. Okay.
What time do you work?
5 o'clock p.m.
What time do you eat dinner?
7 o'clock p.m.
What time do you go to sleep?
10 o'clock p.m.
Yeah, that
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.